In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a W-2 or income in H&R Block. To make this smooth, have your form W-2 nearby so you can match names and spellings exactly as they appear. We'll start from the H&R Block Do-It-Yourself main menu. From here, head to the Overview area. Overview gives you a quick snapshot of your return and is a helpful place to confirm you're in the right section before you begin entering income. Next, move into the Federal section. This is where you'll manage your federal return, including wages, salaries, and other income. If the software offers a prompt to jump to a specific place, choose the option that takes you to the beginning of your return. Going to the beginning ensures you're aligned with the guided interview and that nothing important is skipped. When you see the prompt to continue, click Next. This advances you into the interview flow. If you've made prior entries, don't worry. Pressing Next here simply moves you forward. It doesn't overwrite what you've already saved. Now locate the income area. This is the central hub for anything you earned during the year, including W-2 wages. Inside income, look for the option to Add an employer. Selecting this tells the software you want to enter a new W-2. Even if you have multiple jobs, you'll add them one at a time using the same button. You'll be asked to enter the name of your W-2 employer. Type the employer's name exactly as it appears on your Form W-2. Matching the spelling and punctuation helps the program align your entry with the form and reduces potential errors later. If your employer uses abbreviations or includes punctuation like commas or periods, include those. If you had more than one employer during the year, you'll repeat this process for each one after you finish the first. When you've entered the employer name, click Next. This takes you to the detailed W-2 entry screens, where you'll be guided to enter the amounts and codes printed on your form. Take your time here and enter each box exactly as shown. If you see helpful on-screen tips or alerts, use them to double-check your entries before moving on. As you proceed, the software typically saves your work, but it's still a good idea to pause and review if anything looks off. That's it for adding a W-2 or income in H&R Block. Follow these steps for each employer you worked for, and you'll have your wage information set up correctly and ready for the rest of your return.